Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Brandon Carpenter. Today we're working on one of my most requested recipes, and that's cream of potato soup. It's super luxurious, not healthy at all, but it's worth the splurge. If you're new to the channel or if you haven't done it yet, do me a favor, click that subscribe button, click that bell so you're notified when I drop a new video. So we'll go over the list of all the ingredients you need, what it takes to get this soup done. Easy as can be. Let's get to it.
We're going to need 10 cups of hot chicken stock. I have 5 pounds of russet potatoes. They're peeled and I slice them in 1/4 inch thick slices. Half pound of ham, I got it diced into bite-sized pieces. A medium yellow onion, diced in a smallish way. I have a pint of heavy whipping cream. And 4 ribs of celery. I split them and sliced them. And I have a whole bunch of green onions. I have the tops and the bottoms separated. I'm going to garnish with the tops and cook with the bottoms. Half a cup of butter. I have 4 slices of bacon that I diced. We're going to render that down. And then we have a half cup of all-purpose flour. You'll also need a little salt and fresh cracked pepper. Okay, so we have a stock pot heating up over medium heat. We're going to render our bacon down. So put all the bacon down all at once. We're going to spread it all around, get it good and even across the bottom of the pan. What we're doing is we're basically making little bacon bits, and we're going to garnish our bowls of soup with that. So we want to spread them around, get them all rendered down until they're nice and crispy. Now that they're nice and crispy, we're going to get them out of there, drain them on some paper towels, and reserve them for later. Now we'll add our butter. We'll add the celery. We'll add our onions. Make sure you get them all. And we're going to add our green onion bottoms. So we'll give this all a stir. We just want to sweat these down. We don't want to brown them. We're going to let these cook down for about 5 minutes, just until they're soft. Now we'll add a half a cup of all-purpose flour. So what we're doing here is we're making a roux with the bacon fat that we had in there and the flour. So we want to get this all incorporated. Stir it well. Don't drop your towel like I just did. Party foul. So again, get this all incorporated. We don't want to brown this. We just want to get it, all the flour taste cooked out and get it all brought together. So we'll let this cook for about 5 minutes over medium heat. Now we'll add all the potatoes, all of our hot stock. We're going to give this a stir. We're going to make sure nothing's sticking to the bottom of the pot. I want to get all this incorporated. Make sure nothing's sticking. Now that we have that done, we're going to add all of our ham. We'll give it another stir just to get everything incorporated. Then we're going to bring this up to a boil and let it simmer. See all that foam you got collecting at the top? You want to get that out of there. You want to have a nice clean soup. It'll look better and it'll taste better. So our potatoes are cooked down. You'll see when we stir them up, they're starting to break apart on their own. That's what we're looking for. So I'm going to take the back of my spoon and just smash them down for 4 or 5 times. And you're kind of mashing them in a sense, and this is going to help thicken up your soup. As you can see, those potatoes are breaking apart just by me stirring. So mash them up a little bit, get that starch working. You have a nice thick velvety soup. Now it's time to add the heavy cream. You don't want to dump all this in at once. You stand a chance of curdling or breaking your cream. And there's no point in coming this far and doing it wrong. So just get a ladle, get some of the hot soup in there, pour a little bit of cream, let it heat up a little bit, and then just ease it into the pot. Stir it around, let it get incorporated, let things heat up gently, get a little more hot soup, add a little more cream, and you just keep repeating this until all your cream is incorporated. Now we're going to taste for salt and pepper. And I'm gonna add a little cracked pepper. Fresh cracked pepper is best. And just a touch more salt. Give that a final stir, and we're ready to serve. Can't wait. We've got a beautiful bowl of soup. We're gonna garnish it with some of the bacon bits that we cooked down earlier and some of those green onion tops that we reserved. I'm feeling extra naughty, so I'm gonna hit it with a little shredded cheddar cheese.
All right, y'all, so it's time for the final test. Got me a nice big steaming bowl of this soup. Got my green onions, bacon, and again, I was super naughty. I put a little cheddar cheese on there, but hey, I can splurge today. So let's give this a try. Oh, that's good, good. Green onions, the bacon, the cheese, potatoes are coming through. Y'all better make this. Y'all need to make this now. But again, y'all, thank y'all for watching. Do me a favor, if you haven't already done it, click that subscribe button, hit that bell so you're notified when I got a new video that drops. And as always, good eating to y'all. Have a great one.
Perfect.